Did you know you can update every app on your Windows PC with just one command? No installers, no websites, no pop-ups, just pure CMD magic. First, let's make sure it's installed. Type if you get a version number, you're good. If not, just install App Installer from the Microsoft Store. Now let's check which apps on your system actually need updating. Type. This gives you a full list of outdated apps, including their current version and the available update. Here's the fun part. To update every app at once, just type no clicking, no downloading installers. Windows does everything automatically. This is the fastest way to keep your system clean and fully up to date.